Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. I'm Nacho Yanez with Homes Chula Vista, and today we are in a park that if you follow my videos you've seen before. This is Lynwood South. We are in 444 Anita Street in Chula Vista, and you can feel the breeze. It's a really nice park. It's a 55-18, so means one person at least needs to be 55 or older, and the rest of people living in the home needs to be at least 18 years old. And today we have number 17, which is this double wide, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms home from 1970, but is kept in a very well maintained. It also has a carport for 2 cars. It has a California room, and it has a nice green garden in the backyard with an avocado tree. So yes, come follow me. Let's get on with it. So this is the main entrance. Like I was saying, this originally was like a porch, but they covered it into what is called a California room. And it's nicely done, as you can see, with the screen doors and the windows, etc. And that's very spacious. These rooms are not recommended to use as bedrooms because the isolation from the awning and everything is not the same as the rest of the home. But it's perfect like for an extra family room, a studio, an office, or anything. Also, another part of the California room is that like a small room over there that you can use for storage or other things, but also it is connected to the master bedroom, so you can use it as walk-in closet, and that comes really handy. We will see it from the other side. So follow me, let's come in, and let's see. This is very spacious. This home is 24 by 48, so it's 1,152 square feet. As you can see, almost echo here, even with carpet and everything on this. This is a big living room. You can see, of course, yeah, the carpet and the walls and all of that is probably that you want to put your own style and redecorate. But other than that, you know, the home seems in good shape. This is have a lot of window space, very big window, so has a lot of light coming in, you know, on the living room. This is the dining area, as you can see. The chandelier here and on top of a dining table, and it's connected here with the kitchen. It's a quite nice size, and it's all equipped, and all these things, you know, the range and oven and the stove, they're not new, but they're in working condition, and they convey. They're included in the home, as well as the washer and dryer. They have a nice area right over there, and the refrigerator. That is included as well. So follow me, let's go see the rooms. So this is the master bedroom, and you can see it's well taken care of. These are the closets, and with mirror. And normally in used homes, sometimes some of these mirrors have chips or something there. This is in mint condition. That's really, really good. And it's quite spacious, as I was saying. It has the master bathroom right here with a walk-in shower as well, and it's a full bathroom with a vanity. And also the other thing, which is, I think, is very good use of the space in this home that I like, is this additional room we were talking about in the California room. This is a space I've given it, and they make a very big walk-in closet. So that's really good, you know. And you don't really need to dedicate this room for storage, because there are 3 sheds included with the home for additional storage space. But yeah, that's a good option. And over here we have the second bedroom, the guest bedroom. Again, it has closets with mirrors, in mint condition as well. It's quite spacious, and yeah, you can fit. This is included here, but you can put easily a queen bed in this room, and that's good space. This one has some more light because it gives on the carport as well. And next to the guest bedroom, we have the guest bathroom as well, a full bathroom with tub and shower as well. And then here, like I said, the washer and dryer that are included in the sale. And we can come out here to the carport, which it has a space for at least 2 cars or 2 trucks, actually, or yeah, maybe more. And this is one of the sheds. You see, that's quite a nice size, so you can use it for storage. And one of the things about this park is that the breeze is always blowing, is really nice. Here, you can dedicate this to a backyard or a patio. They have dedicated to like a green garden, so you see the spaces here that are included. You can take them out or you can use them as well. So there are 3 spaces. And also, here you have some nice trees. This is an avocado tree that actually, yeah, has some nice avocados. And I don't know, I know about houses and homes, but I know nothing about trees. But they told me that avocado trees really take long until they produce avocados, and this one does. So that's a really good thing. These are the other 2 sheds as well that are included for more storage or tools and so. And still another one, you know. All right. And here, this is a small patio park. And well, this is it. So let's recap on the home. The price, I haven't said yet. Price is $124,900. So $124,900. Okay. The year of the home is 1970. It's a Viking Scania. That's the manufacturer. The dimensions is 24 wide by 48 long, so it's 1,152 square feet. This is a senior park, 5518. The rent of the space is $1,185 per month. And well, the home is financeable, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Leave your comments, and if you got any questions, yeah, let's call me. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Bye.